Hey friends, if you wish to open Classic Paint on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. We have normal paint on our Windows computers, and this is the newer version, but there are a lot of people who wish to use the classic MS Paint. Now, to use all of these files, we have a website called win7games.com. It's a third party website, but I like it. So I will scroll down and click on download paint. Okay, and then it will download to the system, and then once it is downloaded, right click on it and select extract all, and click on extract, and then click on this classic paint setup. Okay, and then click on next, and then it says open settings, and then app exclusion aliases. We will have to allow this one. Okay, it is allowed. Okay, next, create a desktop icon. Yes, next, and then we will install it. Okay, and then I'll click on finish, and it will run the classic paint. And you know what, the newer paint, it's good, it's somewhat similar, but the classic paint, it was an aura of its own. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.